Alright, 73 K5 Blazer, full convertible. Was originally a 350 203. Very custom cold air intake. 99 to 06 5.3. It has a newer style 4-bolt intake manifold on there with an LS3 throttle body. Right there. Dr. X TB adapter. Kind of hard to tell, but it's got the flex fuel injectors in there. Schoenfeld headers, not coated. I really don't care. Goes down to some V-band collectors at the bottom. I'll show you that in a minute. This is my Chinesium standalone harness. It looks very familiar or very similar to other ones you see on the market. Probably came from the same place. Fuses, again, looks exactly the same. This is a little hack I had from other trucks. It's a 3 relay system, low and high, for the electric fans. Again, it's also PCM controlled. It's a 28-inch radiator off another truck I had. Derale electric fans. Stock 5.3 power steering pump with the original 73 lines on here that are just new though. Used original battery cables. Goes up and over. Right here. Up and over to the alternator, to the back of it. That in turn goes over to the bus bar. That's just where I put my powers for the hots. Always connected, always on. Still a work in progress. Here's the V-band I was talking about off the headers. TH350 with the torque converter adapter. 203 transfer case. And the exhaust goes down to an X pipe. Borla XR1s. Just turn downs for now. Again, stock 73 fuel tank with an intank fuel pump in there. And that goes back to return. The intake. The fuel reel. It's just a single feed. It's a quick disconnect on there. Goes over to my Aermotive fuel regulator. Very, very fancy. Run that other return line back over to the original vent line that goes back to the fuel tank. You'll see here, that's where the feed goes to the regulator. Again, it's the original feed that comes off the gas tank. Up and around, and goes to the regulator. It is a drive-by-wire. I hope you can see this, but it's just a big aluminum plate. 3 bolts for the original throttle pedal assembly. And just moved it over 3 inches. Position's a little high on the pedal, but it does work.